recording wasn't on for no reason. I don't know why it's off. Shut up. Be quiet. Be quiet. I'm gonna play something like another game. Can I like go to this? I'm not getting after Roblox on this account. I'm on my main account, and my main account is on my phone. I'm not on Steam, so I'm probably gonna make another account. It's on Microsoft. And it makes a trampoline. Sit here and well, we're not gonna. Wait. Oh yeah, okay. Get it. No. Get the stupid comment. I don't care. Only Drumpler can play because he's cool. I'm gonna set you all the way in that. Yeah. Okay, I need more food. And the castle needs to be better. I am nowhere enough. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna upgrade this stupid bro. Who's gonna do that? Oh yeah, thank you. I actually needed it. Oh yeah, no, I don't need a bake. Yeah, okay. Oh, no. You can also say some names in the chat. I'm gonna name these four guys. Evil Rubble, yeah. Squoosh. And Drumpy Drumpler. And they merged. That makes D-Rock. Bro! He's so expensive. I don't know how to make this video even more. Oh, 8. Attack a part 1 media maker, make man, maximize and beat. Oh. Wait a second. I'm gonna do this YouTuber Nina. I don't know why, but I want to do it. I really want to do it. Really? What can I do? Videos? Playlist. Oké, natuurlijk. Natuurlijk. Good try. Back doing it. Let's Roblox. But it's gonna lag. What we're gonna be next video after this. I'm never editing my videos. No. No. I'm not old enough to edit. Oh, I'm not even 13. I'm almost. I'm almost 12. Sorry, I'm just looking something up. I'm just gonna. I'm almost done. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna log in. Is it a 1? Is it a 1 or is it an I? I think that's a 1. 2, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7. 7. Oh wait, 57. EG. That is the YouTuber. Sumo. Okay, that's not it. We're just not gonna do this. I don't wanna do this, stupid. Like my account, literally. It's little what? Where, blah? Ow. 10 times. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna have to film it here. And maybe make a comeback with my main account to show you all first. But it's on my phone and maybe not voice. Otherwise they're not gonna hear me maybe. If someone should be watching this video, probably not. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. Yeah, I all my stupid fraud. You don't need it. Bro. But yeah, we're actually almost 12 minutes in. I'm thinking I'm gonna cut the video here or something. Maybe do the castle. If some of you guys are watching, I'll let you know how the castle looks. Also, sweet for this. Actually, a mushroom castle. That's also cool, but not sure. So yeah, see you guys later. Alright, first the whole song. Well, now. Wait, what am I doing? What am I doing? Mute off. What? Wait. This is. What? Oh, there's the castle? If you don't hear it. And then this is the full song. What's the full song? Wait. So yeah, you guys can cut this thing and then place it on YouTube, and that was for today. See you all later. Bye.